how you show different shades of anger in your marriage. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about the many shades of anger you display towards your spouse in your relationship. It is a harsh fact that you often feel angry towards your spouse for one reason or the other. It would be a blatant lie if you say that you do not display anger towards your spouse. There are times you find many situations in your married life which makes you lose your temper very easily. When you feel stressed by your work-related problems, you spurt out in anger against your spouse. When you're annoyed with your spouse, you show your anger against him or her in no uncertain terms. When your spouse does something which you do not like, you burst out in anger. When you are in one of your mood swings, you display needless anger against your spouse. Does displaying your anger against your spouse show that you have lost your love for him or her? No, it does not. Your angry display against your spouse just showcases that you're very human and very normal. Just like any emotion, anger is part and parcel of your human nature. Do you know you can classify the anger you exhibit against your spouse? Yes. Your anger takes different shades and colors according to the mood you're in when you're angry. The anger you show against your spouse evokes different reactions from him or her. And the way you minimize your anger and the way your spouse minimizes his or her reaction decides the mood of your relationship. But when you maximize your anger and your spouse also maximizes his or her reactions, your relationship turns bitter and unhappy for both. Do you know there are many types of anger you display towards your spouse? There are times you display resentful and bitter anger. In extreme cases, you display abusive anger. Many a time you display controlled anger. There are times you display sullen anger. You often display childish anger. You also display immature anger. Your anger is sometimes mild and sometimes wild. Shall we see the crucial 3 common shades of anger you commonly display towards your spouse? The number 1 ugliest shade of anger you display towards your spouse is the abusive anger. This is the worst form of anger in any marriage. When you turn abusive in your anger against your spouse, you spill forth profanities and expletives without caring that you're being hurting and loveless towards him or her. In your abusive anger, you often yell at the top of your voice so that it could be heard outside your house also. You break things to give further emphasis to your anger. You drag the family of your spouse in your abusive tirade against your spouse. You also carelessly character assassinate your spouse. When you are abusively angry against your spouse, your sole intention is to degrade and humiliate him or her. You want your spouse to cringe in shame at any cost. What makes you behave in such an abusive manner with your spouse? When you have lost all your love for your spouse, you want a way out of your marriage. The very sight of your spouse makes you feel repulsed that you spill out in furious anger, throwing human decency to the air. Yet another reason for your abusive anger is your addictions. When you are addicted to alcohol and drugs, you lose your mental stability. Your total concentration is on satisfying your life-destroying addiction and not on catering to the emotional needs of your spouse. Whatever might be the reason behind your abusive anger, your spouse is wild at you for your carelessness for depicting your anger in such a crude manner. When you're totally abusive and totally unmannerly when you display your anger against your spouse, everything about your relationship turns ugly, unbearable and intolerable. Abusive anger also has a snowballing effect. Your abusive anger eventually turns into an avalanche to swallow your marriage by sheer fury. The number 2 dangerous shade of your anger is a hidden rage against your spouse. What exactly does hidden anger mean? You might be furious against your spouse, but often you do not openly show it. Your spouse might do many things you do not like, but you do not utter a word against it. You often withdraw into a shell of silence when you're angry with your spouse. In fact, your spouse never knows that he or she is making you feel irritable and annoyed. Though you do not display your anger in words, your sullen behavior clearly showcases that you're angry with your spouse in no uncertain terms. Your spouse feels exhausted trying to find out the reason behind your silent anger. Your spouse tries to reason with you, but he or she might as well be talking to a wall for all the reactions you show. Your spouse feels your wooden silence is as worse as your open display of anger. Your spouse is all muddled up, not knowing the reasons behind your anger. Your hidden and suppressed anger is as volatile as a volcano. Your bottled up emotions will erupt one day with volcanic anger, making your spouse wonder where you had hidden your anger so far. The number 3 beautiful shade of your anger is your reasonable anger. Being reasonably angry with your spouse is the most beautiful form of anger you can display in your relationship. It is because a marriage without a display of anger does not exist anywhere in the world. It is normal to feel angry against your spouse as both live a hectic lifestyle. And it is also natural to flash out in anger against your spouse just to relieve your built-up stress and tension. Your display of anger against your spouse does not mean you do not love him or her. It only means you're just letting off some steam. After your anger subsides, you instantly feel sorry for your angry outburst. You apologize to your spouse and your anger ends then and there. When you're reasonably angry with your spouse, you tell him or her directly what you do not like in him or her. When you're reasonably angry, you're not accusing towards your spouse. You do not dig up old fights. Your voice is not derisive and accusing. Your words do not hurt your spouse. You make your intention clear to your spouse. You explain the reasons behind your anger clearly to your spouse so that he or she understands your viewpoint. Your spouse listens to you as you're very reasonable. Your fight ends immediately as there's no bitterness between you. The aftermath of your anger is the romantic making up, which makes you love your spouse even more. Anger is a beautiful form of emotion only when it is mild and rational. But when your anger turns abusive and vulgar, it could ruin your relationship. The words you utter have that much of an awesome power. Loving words you utter makes your relationship enjoyable to both. But your angry words leave behind a scar of unhappiness in your relationship. Did this video make you understand the different ways you display anger against your spouse? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part, your relationship goal.